हमारे इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए फूल खिले गुलशन में खूबसूरती नजर आई। आप आए इस महफिल में, यहाँ खुशियां ही खुशियां आई। जी हाँ, हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि कन्नौर विश्वविद्यालय के शारीरिक शिक्षा विभाग के पूर्व निदेशक डॉक्टर पीटी जोसेफ जी। आप कन्नौर जिले के बक्कलम निवासी हैं। आपकी शैक्षिक योग्यताएं सन 1984 में जीवाजी विश्वविद्यालय ग्वालियर से शारीरिक शिक्षा में एमपी उपाधि, सन 1985 में भारतीय खेल प्राधिकरण एनआईएस बैंगलोर की तरफ से एथलेटिक्स में एनआईएस डिप्लोमा, सन 1990 में अलगप्पा विश्वविद्यालय से शिक्षा प्रबंधन में पीजीडीएसएम की उपाधि एवं सन 1951 में जीवाजी विश्वविद्यालय ग्वालियर से शारीरिक शिक्षा में पीएचडी की उपाधि। आपके खेलकूद उपलब्धियों पर नजर डालें तो 1981 एवं 1983 में एथलेटिक्स में भारतीय विश्वविद्यालय का प्रतिनिधित्व किया। सन 1981 में आप शारीरिक फिटनेस में राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार विजेता बने। सन 1981, 83 एवं 84 में आप अखिल भारतीय अंतर विश्वविद्यालय द्वारा आयोजित एथलेटिक्स में स्वर्ण पदक जीते। आप कन्नौर जिला एथलेटिक्स संघ का प्रेसिडेंट, एमजी विश्वविद्यालय के पूर्व एथलेटिक कोच, कैलिकट विश्वविद्यालय के पूर्व पाठ्यक्रम समन्वयक, शारीरिक शिक्षा में केरल का प्रथम पीएचडी अर्हक एवं राष्ट्रीय एथलेटिक चैंपियनशिप में स्वर्ण पदक एवं रजत पदक विजेता थे। कन्नौर विश्वविद्यालय मांगट परंबा में सिंथेटिक ट्रैक, स्विमिंग पूल एवं बहुउद्देशीय इंडोर स्टेडियम इत्यादि का गठन आपके कार्यकाल में हुआ। सर, आपसे विनम्र निवेदन है कि आशीर्वचनों की पुष्प वर्षा कर हमें अनुग्रहित करें। सर।
Respected Principal KV Electron Nagar, Ramesh Kumar ji, respected teachers, my dear students and parents. I'm extremely happy to join with you for the celebration of the National Sports Day 2020. Every year, 29th August has been observed as the National Sports Day. This year, we are not in a position to physically join together to celebrate the day, but our minds are together to celebrate the Sports Day in a befitting manner. I would like to appreciate all my previous speakers and student representatives and the principal. They have mentioned the importance of Sports Day, importance of physical fitness, importance of participating in sports activities in order to attain the ultimate objectives of education. Because we know that the aim of education is to mold very good citizens. So participation in sports activities will definitely help in that area. Actually, we have already heard from our teachers about the importance of this day. On 29th August, we are celebrating the Sports Day because it commemorates the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Dhyan Chand. We know that is a extraordinary skills in the game. Gave him a nickname Hockey Wizard because he was playing like a magician with his sticks, and nobody in India in the field of hockey could perform in such a manner with excellent skills. During the golden era of hockey, Indian hockey, they have won 3 gold medals and many international tournaments. And in 1936, they won the hockey gold medal in the home ground of the host team in Berlin, that is in the Hitler's Germany. So that is a great achievement and inspiration for all of us, because he is a role model. He is from an ordinary family, joined in the Indian Army in the lower rank, and with his hard work, dedication and passion to the hockey, he has become the Indian hero. and his birthday has been observed as the National Sports Day. So another important aspect of this day is that our young friend has mentioned the country will be honoring our distinguished sports personalities with the National Sports Award. Honorable President of India will be giving out the prestigious National Sports Awards like Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Dronacharya Award for the coaches, Arjuna Award for outstanding sports persons, and Dhyan Chand Award for lifetime achievers. So all these sports persons, if you see their life, how they have become the heroes of our nation, only because of their hard work, dedication, and sincere effort they have put in day and night, without which nobody can achieve highest level of performance in sports activities. Normally we say sports talent, and he is a talented person, with his talent he won. But in fact, talent alone will not help to achieve highest performance. Only one who is ready to work hard, sincere effort should be put in, then his dedication and his passion only can bring good athletes. And that's why we say that hard work is the key to success, especially in sports and physical activities. The objectives of Sports Day celebrations, our teachers have already mentioned. It is to spread the message of the importance of physical activities and sports. Because we always used to say, healthy mind in a healthy body. If our body is ill, we cannot do, our mind will not function, our intellectual activities will not be proper, and we can do nothing without our physical health. So health is so important in our life, and especially today. Today is our motto, especially for this sports day. Everybody says, stay fit and healthy. So fitness and health is our primary concern now, because we are in the threat of COVID-19. Those who are fit and physically fit and healthy will have less chance of affecting the communicable diseases as well as the lifestyle diseases. And the great Greek philosopher Socrates once says, what a disgrace for a man to grow old without ever seeing the beauty and strength which his body is capable of. Because our body is designed to function and move. Movement is the primary quality of life. We know a subject or some thing is not moving, we call it is dead. Because movement is the primary purpose of a living organism, and we should move. Only when we move, our functional abilities will improve. We can see that those who are going to the gym and doing exercises, what happen? Their muscles will be become more stronger and bigger, and they will their functional ability of the muscle will improve. That's why strength is improved. If you go for walking or jogging, our heart and circulatory system will function more efficiently, and we will adjust with our organs will automatically adjust with those higher conditions, and our functional ability will be higher. So in the normal situation, our body will be able to function properly. So that is the importance of exercise. Unless our body moves, our primary functions, we know that we'll have to walk, we'll have to run, we'll have to jump sometimes, we'll have to throw objects. That all comes under sports. So actually sports is the best medium to develop all these qualities. When we think of sports, mainly we think of physical components, development of physical components. But actually, physical components, what we can see, it is developed. Along with that, we will be able to develop our mental abilities. We will be able to have a stable emotional balance. We will be able to have a better social skills. All these can be developed through sports participation. So our aim is to continue these activities throughout our life. Actually, children, they move more, their energy is more, they are very healthy. And old people, they won't move much. So normally, naturally, their strength and physical abilities will be decreasing by the age. But if you continue with doing the activities, physical activities and sports, definitely it will help to maintain your health throughout your life, and it will add a quality to your life. And not only longevity and quality of the life can be attained through physical activities and sports. And without physical activity, we can never achieve our health. Actually, I am a retired person. My school days and college days, I was doing sports. But I have retired from my teaching service, but I still continue doing sports activities daily, at least 1 hour. I practice sports and still I participate in competition, and I am still national champion in my event at this age. So that I am just telling about an example. If you people also continue doing physical activities, definitely you can maintain your health and fitness throughout your life. Once you become idle or sedentary, definitely your health will go down, and you will become sick soon. So your longevity will be reduced, and life quality will be reduced. So my humble suggestion or the message which we should get from the sports day celebration is that we should get an access to participate in some physical activities and sports programs in our life. Students, of course, they are getting ample opportunities for sports activities and physical exercise, and as principal has already mentioned, the sports has become a part of our curriculum, because in the new education policy also very much importance has been given for physical activity, sports, yoga, martial arts and all. Everybody has to take some activities as part of the curriculum. Definitely that will enhance our fitness, not only our fitness and health, we will be able to mold a good society with good individuals, so that the prosperity of the nation will definitely be very good. Now, on this occasion, once again, I appreciate the Kendriya Vidyalaya Kaltron Nagar authorities. In this adverse condition, you are celebrating the sports day in a very befitting manner, spreading the message of sports and physical education activity program, and the inspirations we get from the our sporting heroes. They will become heroes only because of their hard work and dedication. So my request also to the children, you can also win laurels in sports activities if you have the will to do, and you are getting ample opportunities. Utilize that opportunities to the maximum to maintain your health and fitness and quality of life throughout your life. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So your profile speaks volumes about your vast experience. Your inspiring words shall always motivate and encourage the young, budding, enthusiastic, zestful little sports persons. So you have rightly said that movement is essential for functional ability, because anything that is stagnant begins to rot. Yes, don't be idle, don't be sedentary. And this is the message that Sir wants to give to all the little students, little ones over there. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your message. A month or more of staying inside our house with restrictions on our movements, no live sporting action to follow on the TV or on the internet, no scores to check, no spending hours post-match discussions, no discussions on WhatsApp with friends or to listen to experts discussing the game. It's a kind of an expression of joy or agony on everyone's face. It's been a world without any sports since last few months. With countries across continents going into lockdown to fight the spread of COVID-19, sports too came to a standstill. Not used to being indoors for long, deprived of their normal training facilities and change in training schedules, it has been a challenging time for sports persons too. But we did not sit idle, whiling away our time. We engaged ourselves in many productive and healthy tasks. Dear friends, we present before you sneak peek of various health building activities during the lockdown period by our students at home. Thanks to the KV's wide programs like Run India, Fit India, Yoga at Home, SBSB, etc. So let's join together and watch the PowerPoint presentation received by Mrs. Shiva N. TG Hindi of our Vidyalaya. Shiva madam, you may start the PowerPoint presentation.
That's all, Priya madam. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva ma'am, for that wonderful presentation.
बहुत ही शानदार प्रस्तुति। नतमस्तक हो ज्ञापित करते हम आपका आभार शिवा जी। इस पीपीटी में प्रातःकालीन प्रार्थना सभा से लेकर विभिन्न पाठ्येतर गतिविधियों को समेटकर बनाए गए अद्भुत सुंदर पीपीटी। ध्यानचंद, योगा, शारीरिक फिटनेस एवं एसबीएसपी क्रियाकलापों से संबंधित पीपीटी बहुत बढ़िया। इसका श्रेय जाता है विद्यालय की प्रशिक्षित हिंदी अध्यापिका श्रीमती शिवा जी, प्रशिक्षित अंग्रेजी अध्यापिका श्रीमती प्रिया जी एवं प्रशिक्षित संगणक अध्यापिका श्रीमती शिमना जी को। हमारे कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए सफलतापूर्वक केवी केल्ट्रॉन नगर के राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस समारोह इस सत्य को सत्यापित करता है, पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसले से उड़ान होती है। अब है बारी धन्यवाद ज्ञापन की। इसके लिए विद्यालय की स्नातकोत्तर रसायन विज्ञान अध्यापिका श्रीमती अचिता मैडम को सादर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। मैडम।
Thank you, Shailaja Madam. Most Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Principal, Vice Principal, HM Sir, members of teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students, a bright good morning to the August gathering. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. August 29th is Rashtriya Khel Divas, or National Sports Day in India. It is also the birthday of Major Dhyanchandra Singh, the Indian hockey player who put India on world hockey map and won gold for the country during the Olympics 3 times in 1928, 1932 and 1936. In his career that lasted till 1948, he scored over 400 goals. Nicknamed a magician of hockey, the athlete was a major figure in 1920s and 30s. During the past week, public events from music festivals to sports contests to conferences have been cancelled due to the coronavirus disease outbreak. Instead of cancelling the National Sports Day program, our school, the principal and the teachers decided to celebrate National Sports Day in an online manner. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires meticulous planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive, dedicated staff of our institution who are well versed in the job. The innovative ideas rendered by our staff are commendable. Extracurricular activities are an essential ingredient of the overall education process. As said, sound bodies possess sound mind. It gives us immense pleasure at this hour that we are blessed to have a chance to thank our chief guest, Dr. P.T. Joseph, former Director, Department of Physical Education, Kannur University, an eminent educationalist and sportsperson, for kindly accepting our invitation and blessing us in this function. Joseph sir is a man who used to render his help in all possible ways to our school, whether it is to conduct interviews for contractual teachers or conducting certain sports events, school level, cluster level and regional level or whatnot. Achta madam need to inform him and all arrangement will be done by him in the proper order to make the program a successful one. I, on behalf of the entire fraternity of KV Keltron Nagar and my own behalf, extend sincere thanks to the chief guest who spared his time from busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your inspirational and motivational speech. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win champions. The sports is a platform to showcase the talent. It is about having fun, being physically active, learning the basics of sports. We render our sincere thanks to our principal, Mr. Prajapat sir, for awakening the desire and passion who support us as a ladder to reach the pole of success. Your constant encouragement always help us to find the best in us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear sir. We thank our Vice Principal, Mr. Surendra Kumar, for his periodical monitoring and solid support in all aspects as we grow. It is your words of appreciation enthuse us in all our efforts. Thank you, sir. Mr. Karunagaran, our HM in charge, is the power of strength, a man of serenity, simplicity, and sincerity, and a silent worker, shows great care and concern towards the school and the children of KV Kaltranagar, especially primary children. Our sincere thanks to you, sir. Your presence and guidance is encouragement and motivation for all of us. Thank you, sir. Archana Madam, the pillar of our sports department, needs appreciation. Without proper planning and coordination, the celebration may not be possible. With her constant support, motivation, and regular monitoring, we were able to conduct today's online celebration. Any program that is there in the school will have a touch of our CCA in charge, Lada ma'am. She has coordinated various activities for National Sports Day. A big thanks to ma'am. Prashant sir and Bindya madam, you cannot see them on the stage today. Young and energetic, who always know when to offer constructive feedback. You have a special knack of helping the children in all technical matters and to achieve what our school need. Thank you for being wonderful colleague and never letting our school settle for something less than what it is capable of producing. We appreciate your time and everything that you have done openly and behind the scene to keep the school running smoothly. You have a pivotal role in recording the activities on National Sports Day. Thank you very much, sir and madam. I am immensely thankful to Dr. Shailaja and Mrs. Priya for the effort towards anchoring of today. Their own ideas and elegance of explanation of everything. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation. They are the asset to our school. Thank you, Shailaja madam and Priya ma'am. When principal messaged different competition in connection with the sports day, the enthusiasm shown by the class teachers are commendable. We'll have to see the competitions among them to post the name of the children participating. A big thanks to all the class teachers and all the staff who directly or indirectly help the children to do this wonderful work. A virtual painting competition was planned for the occasion under the leadership of Mr. Murugesh Kumar, assisted by enthusiastic class teachers. The informations, paintings, postings, painting posters collected by the class teachers from 1 to 12. The compilation, selection and posting in the website become impossible with the silent, systematic hard work of our Murugesh sir and Rahul sir. They deserve good appreciation. The speech given by Miss Shiba madam is wonderful, and madam and Simna madam need good applause for the presentation and video on all activities of our children, like importance of National Sports Day, fitness for children at home, yoga at home, and SBSB on the National Sports Day. Their tireless work found the result today. There is no substitute for hard work. Hard work never go unrewarded. Ranjit sir and Usha madam, your hard work never go unrewarded. A great applause for a simple, informative and meaningful brochure. It is not easy to conduct quiz competition on 3 levels, selecting the questions, putting it under 3 themes and 3 levels, and were carried out by our brilliant lot in our school, Hashim sir, Chandra Bahadur sir and Neetika madam. All children will get certificate in the mail ID after attempting the question. It is a wonderful thing, and the appreciation goes to Mrs. Bindya for her hard work in giving G Suite ID to all children and all other technical arrangement. The speech given by students Shreya Pradeep and our Atish Prashant was wonderful and was worth listening, though it was given to them with short notice. They proved themselves fit for any occasion. They need special appreciation. Next, we would like to thank our dear parents who support us to fly in vibrant colors to reach our boundaries beyond the sky. Dear parents, it is your dream that make us walk the miles of hard step in positive way to reach the zenith of success. Thank you, dear parents. Finally, but not the least, we would also like to thank all our beloved students for this timely acts, support and commitment. They are the pillars of the sports program. It is your presence and enthusiasm which encourage us to carry out different activities even after getting the information with short notice in this pandemic. Thank you all once again. Thank you, dear children. Finally, with these words, I wind up my speech. Learn to live, live to learn, to conquer your tomorrows. Learn to live to learn, to conquer your tomorrows. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajita ma'am. Thanksgiving is a wonderful gesture. Before we draw curtain on today's program, I'm reminded of actually a few lines from the song sung by Michael Jackson titled Heal the World. The words go like this. There are ways to get there. If you care for the living, make a little space, make a better space. Let us rise like the phoenix, strive hard together, make ourselves strong, fit, and make this beautiful earth a wonderful place for all of us. I request the gathering to kindly stand for the national anthem. Prashant sir is arranging the national anthem, so please, everyone is requested to kindly stand for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे